Well, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but to see a video, Julia, and watching that person running and couldn't figure out where to go or what was going on is haunting.
Hearing that gunshot, it just reminds you what a terror this was for this entire community and this neighborhood of Officer Gabriel Torres, where he was just kissing his kids goodbye on his way to work.
Yeah, and you're right, the terror for the entire community. Joining us to discuss National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I haven't had a chance to talk to you about this yet, and I've been wanting to ask you, what do you make of this so far? What happened? By all accounts, it was an average child in an average household with no red flags, no issues, and then this happens.
Just a human tragedy, and I can see, I can see why his lawyers, I commend his lawyers, because I think they're doing an excellent job because they know that they're in the middle of a human tragedy. I think that I have friends in Raleigh that have spoken to them about this case, and this thing has completely gripped their community. So the way I see it is, this case was so repugnant to the people in Raleigh that the defense attorneys, what I think they did was they said, we're going to set this thing for trial, and hopefully the only leverage we have to get you some sort of a deal to get parole is to tell the prosecutors in the state, hey, the community should not get this case tried. We should not try this case. Let's go ahead and do a deal. And they waited until 2 weeks before the trial and realized the state was not going to bite. So they talked to his client and his family and said, your only shot at ever getting parole is pleading guilty, because that will cut in your favor with the judge, is to just don't put the community through this trial. Plead guilty with no conditions, and hopefully at the end of the hearings, the Miller hearings and everything, we can convince this judge, because it's not automatic to get life without parole, so maybe we can convince the judge. But the Gabriel Torres' widow, her testimony, this is why I will never become a judge, Judge Ashley. I've said I will never become a judge, and I'm serious about that, because it is the loneliest seat in every courtroom.